How's it going, guys? I'm Austin with Getaway Adventures, and today we're going to be going over replacing handlebars on a Scott Genius 950. Now, this is going to apply to all kinds of bicycles. We just happen to be doing it to Allison's bike today. We are replacing her stock bars with some Renthals Fatbars that we picked up, and we're going to be going over a couple of things specific to this bicycle and just generic for all bikes in general. Without further ado, let's get started. Currently, I'm just taking off all of the accessories that are on the handlebars. So I'm taking off the grips, the lockout system, the brakes, getting all that stuff off the bike so that we can pull the bars off and put the new ones on. Quick tip for you when you're taking everything off, make sure that you try to keep it consolidated to one side or the other. At the end of the day, you could figure it out and get everything, but what'll be nice, I'm going to pop this handlebar off. I have these two sitting here. This is how they came off. I'll slide them each back on in the order that I took them off in, and there's no guessing. There's no all of a sudden everything's untangled, this is hanging down there, and how did I have it, and it just gets confusing. So kind of an easy tip on that one. And just like that, we got the old handlebars out. We're ready to put in the new ones. The new ones are actually a little bit wider than the old ones, so we're going to work on what is the strongest position for Allison, how wide she really wants her bars, because even these seemed a little bit wide for her because she is smaller. We're going to work on that, get those measured, get them cut, and show you here in a minute. Now make sure when you're ordering your handlebars, they fit to your stock stem, handlebar stem, or you order a new stem to fit the bars. Coming to find out, originally I thought the diameter of this one was 35 millimeters, which is what the bars are set up for. However, this seems to be smaller, maybe a 31 or a 33 mil. So I got to go ahead and I need to order her a new stem, and the next time we pick up on this video, we will have the new stem installing the bars. And we're back. It's been a couple of days, I know, but we were waiting on a new handlebar stem. It's a Renthals Apex handlebar stem with a 35 millimeter diameter for the hole itself. It's a 33 mil offset. You can get them in different offsets. I did it nice and short because Allison is nice and short. All I've done is I undid the top cap on this with a T25 Torx T handle, and then same thing with the sides. Undid the sides and then it just pops off. And this new one is just going to go back on top right in its place. Once I get it put on, I will loosen the bolts, loosen the whole top stem and handlebars, adjust it so they're straight, then tighten everything back down, make sure everything's locked in tight. And then we will be ready to go to Sky Park next weekend and have a good time. Closer, huh? That's a good thing for you, though. So that's going to be a successful install. Make sure to bolt check this stuff, especially when you go riding. Stuff's going to shift, tighten down, go back through it, bolt check it all. That's what we're going to do with Allison's. But until next time, comment if you have any questions. Like it if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you want to see something different, just let us know, and we'll see you next time. Get out and adventure.